I don't mentally think I'm gonna be ready for how long this video is gonna be. So
she gon' shake it for them blue hunters. Take her home, she gon' do something. She gon' shake it for them blue hunters.
what's up, gang? KAREGANG family, I am back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my YouTube videos, how I make my intro, how I basically everything about YouTube, how I set up, and basically all that. So get your snack and get ready. Before we get into that, don't forget to follow on my social media. The issues box down below. Your girl also started a TikTok. Go F with it. I mean, it's there. So I can't get into the shot in my next video. Today's video shot was this right here. Yeah, if you can be a shot in my next video, don't forget to comment #KAREGANG. So let's get into the video that way. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to cover up is setup, and the second thing I'm going to cover up is editing on an iPhone, like how to make your intro on an iPhone, then how I edit on my iPhone. So yeah, I have a video from last year. I'll leave in the iCard if you guys want to go check it out.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Alright, you guys, so for lighting, I'm just going to be using this old lamp that I have. This is such a great way to start off your YouTube channel if you want a little bit of lighting. And if you don't want to film with natural lighting, because sometimes natural lighting be tripping. Such an easy, affordable way to get lighting for your YouTube videos. A lamp will be just fine. I invested in getting a ring light though. My channel needed to move forward and this one was getting yellow. And I was like, why not just buy whole new ring light, because this light isn't as bright as it used to be. If you go on my old YouTube videos, you could find that I had my lighting was just a lamp, which is just fine, especially for starting out for a YouTube channel or for anything at all. You know, a lamp is just fine. It's a great light source. Another way to do it is natural lighting, which is great for your YouTube videos as well. Now, something I used to do is just keep my phone in like these little blinds, like right here. I use natural lighting, and that will be just fine as well. And you know, I live in the sunshine state of Florida, so it was convenient enough for me to start using natural lighting, then move on to, you know, a lamp, and then eventually investing in a ring light. Don't mind the mess in the back, but anyway, this is also a good way to film on your blind, you know, using some natural lighting. Right now it's currently 7:39 p.m. There's not much of lighting anywhere, but this is such a great way. Most of my YouTube videos I filmed in my window using natural lighting. Obviously with natural lighting there are your off days. Like there'll be a day that I'm filming and I just can't film because there's not enough natural lighting, or I used to get home too late, or it's not early enough, or it's gloomy, this cloudy. So it's you know, I would just stick to the lamp and natural lighting. So invest in both. If you're using natural lighting for now, invest in a small lamp. You could get one at like Target or like Walmart or something. It's really inexpensive. So yeah, all in all, it does benefit to get yourself a ring light, because obviously the quality of your videos will be way much better, and you can film at any time, you know. But then again, if you film in the daylight, it'll be better. It's 7, like you guys saw the lighting before and how it is now. There's a difference. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I make my intro on an iPhone. I forgot what the video was called, but I'll leave it right here, description box. You guys can go check it out on how I got inspired to start like my intro. Basically the intro, how you guys saw it. I'll leave that video in the description box in case you want to check it out, because it will be more in depth, you know. So yeah.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
So the first thing you want to do is click on PixArt, and then you're going to click the plus sign so you could add a photo. You want the photo to be 16:9 or something that could fit the YouTube screen. Then when you get it, you can click add photo, and I'm going to pick 8 photos. You can pick however much you want. I'm just going to pick 8 because it'll fit like the way I want it. Then this is totally by your choice. You could fit it the way you want to, however you want it to be on the screen. Me, I'm just going to put 4 on the top and 4 on the bottom. So once you have the photos the way you want it to be, you're going to click on apply, and then from then you're going to click on next and then save it to your photos. And then now we're going to move into the app Fonto. So once you're in the app, you're going to click on the camera and then photo albums so that you can tap on the photo you just saved. Here you can have some filters if you want to adjust it the way you want it, but you're just going to click on done, and you're going to tap on the photo to add text, and here is where you're going to insert your YouTube name, but I'm just going to put Living Life as Care. And then once you're done, you're going to click done. And then when you tap on it, there's font, and they have a whole bunch of fonts. You could also download fonts on your old phone. It'll pop up here. But yeah, it took me a while to find the font that I liked. So once you find the font that you like, you're going to click on style. And once you click on style, you could put outline around it. You could adjust the color, do all of that. You could also tilt it. You can also, once you tap on the name, like your text, you can see a whole bunch of stuff you can do to it. You could curve it, a whole bunch of stuff. And then once you're done, you're just going to click the upload and then save. So now we're in iMovie. You're just going to add your photo and put it to 10 seconds or however long your intro is, and then save it. You also want to disable Ken Burns. Now you want to tap on new and re-effect. And then from there, you're going to see like this little plus sign. You're going to tap on that, and then the magnifying glass. And then here you want to search wave, but they have a ton of things that you can do. But we're just going to search wave. And here are how they look like, if you are wondering. The one I'm going to be using though is just wave. Now it's a little too fast, so I'm just going to adjust it the way I want to. And I'm just going to be doing this for a while. Now you're going to tap on like this down arrow, something like that. I'm not the best explainer. And then you're going to click this little thing on the side. Basically, it helps you adjust like how fast you want the waves to move. Now you want to add your video, so you're just going to click on YouTube vlog and then go from your photos and to the video you just saved. And then from here you want to click on video sticker, and when you click on video sticker you're going to click on add and from YouTube. And then from there you want to search stars green screen, and it's the first one. Click on mask, and then when you click on there, click green, and then you could zoom it in so it could fit a little bit. And yeah, you have your little intro now, girl. Now you want to go into PixArt, click on photo sticker, whatever, and you want to search Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, because this is where you're going to plug in your social medias. And you can plug in, subscribe, like whatever you want, like, comment, share, whatever. But I'm just going to plug in my social medias, and I'm going to put all 3 of my social medias. You could put all 3 of whatever you want. So now you should have your little intro that you just made or whatever. And then after that, you should have your little social medias or whatever 3 things you want to plug in your intro and stuff like that. And then, you know, might as well just follow me. And then you want to add like a couple videos of yourself or whatever. Now you want to open iMovie, and from iMovie you want to click and add in all your items. Now I'm going to add in my intro music, and since my intro music is a video, I'm going to add it as an audio. Now you could screen record or download whatever song you want to have as your intro. It will be way easier if you save one or screen record one from YouTube. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell from my intro, but there's like a pause in the song, so it's like she gonna shake it for them blue hundreds, so for that part I'm gonna add in my videos. Now if you have an intro, you can add in your little videos at any point, or when this beat drops, it'll be better if you add in a video, because it would just go along with the song. Okay, so now I'm going to be like, where I plug in my social medias, I'm just going to be using Canburn, so like it could go along like boom boom boom, like it makes sense when you hear it and when you guys are going to see it like in a little bit. So I'm just going to be zooming it in, zooming it out, so like it'll be lit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm about to show you guys the intro in a bit. Tell me how you guys feel about it.
She gon' shake it for them blue hundreds. Take her home, she gon' do something. Chick, she gon' shake it for them blue hundreds.
Okay, so in the beginning of my videos, I like to have me introducing myself, like what's up, KAREGANG, whatever, and stuff like that. And then my intro play, and then I always like to have transitions, and I will always add some effects like audio sound effects, and I'll go on golf hit, because even though some people might not always hear it, it adds like an effect to your video, like meaning, depth in it. So now for my zoom ins, which a lot of people like, I like to just split the section that I'm going to be using, and I'll like pinch and zoom it, whatever. And I always like to go on the filters, and yeah, basically when I'm doing something stupid. So this is like a little template I had of myself recording, so I can show you guys how I edit. It's pretty basic. Then again, when you keep on doing YouTube, you're gonna find your own editing style. So basically if you just watch, I'm pretty sure you'll get the way I edit. It's ridiculous. So at the end of this, I'm going to show you the end result. And yeah, this is gonna be a basic living life as care video. So I didn't mention this before, but the sound of this video, I upped the volume to 200. So you should see it that it's at 200. I just didn't mention it. I'm so sorry. So yeah, I edit pretty basic. I don't know if this is helpful or not. I feel like if you just edit along with me, you'll get it. So yeah. Okay, so now for my background music, it's just a song that I had screen recorded on YouTube. I'm going to trim it to the size of my video, or at least what I remember of, and I'm just going to add it as audio. Now my audio, I like to keep around 22, 23, and I like to fade it in and fade it out. Around videos, around parts of my video when I am like zoomed in or doing something stupid, or it's like slowed down and stuff, I would cut it and remove it from that part of the video so that it won't make noise, so it could show like how awkward that moment was. You guys are gonna see it in a bit. when I was zoomed in, I cut it off and then I moved it to the next clip where I wasn't. So yeah. Also, it's my personal preference to have the music fade out a little bit, like extend it past my video. I don't know. What's okay, gang? Karega family, I am back with another video.
She gon' shake it for them blue hunters. Take her home, she gon' do something. Chick, chick, chick. She gon' shake it for them blue hunters.
So this is going to be my little template. So basically, I'm going to show you guys how I edit my video with this little template right here. So, I mean, it'll only be fair if I like plug in my social media. So follow that. I mean, on the screen. Like, oh yeah, you like my drawings? Alright, you guys, so that's the video. If you guys enjoyed this, how I edit on my iPhone, I hope this video was helpful. I'll leave the link to my last one in the iCard, as well as how I make my thumbnails. So yeah, that's actually important too. So I'll leave that in the iCard as well. The video's a little old, a little cringe-worthy. Don't mind your girl. She was, you know. Don't forget to follow all my social medias in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment at KAREGANG to try my next video. Now I say bye. We're start of week every week. In case you can get your path, get your way. So if you got your verse, peace. Your girls out. And whoa, ayy.